Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over the storefront section. So under stores, and then instead of downloading your top stores, we're going to download the storefront. So we're going to click on storefront. And then it'll take a couple moments for the table to be populated. And what we've done here is this is the top 100,000 stores in the US platform. So we've obviously to have a table with 100,000 products. To have a table with 100,000 different stores in it would take quite a while to do. So what we've done is I've split it into the top to 10 pages with 10,000 each. So we're looking at the first 10,000. So this will be stores 1 through 10,000 in the US platform. And we're going to change it to view 100 at a time instead of 10. But you can select that however you want. You can also search for anything here. So if you have a store ID, you can enter anything from a seller name, etc., anything you want to search on. And so this is set by the rating, which would mean the store feedback. So the one with the most amount of store feedback is Amazon Warehouse Deals, obviously, and they have at least 100,000 products. We pull up to 100,000, so that's the highest that you'll see, but obviously if there's less, like Go Hastings, Movie Mars, and the other ones you see on here will be all, we'll show you how many they have. So we have the store ID, we have the seller name, we have the amount of products up to 100,000. If they have any FBA items, yes or no, so you'll know if they're an FBA seller. Obviously, if they're an FBA seller, they're going to have a much they'll be able to compete with you much more. But if they're not an FBA seller, you'll probably be able to sell those same products at a great premium. 15 to 30% is very easy to do when you're competing with somebody who's not an FBA seller, as well as the subscribe button. So you click on subscribe here, as we showed you in the subscription video. You'll be able to get an email once a day with this list, so you won't have to ever come back here again. And obviously you can go to the settings and remove whatever you need to, and then your download button, of course. So and then you can sort by any of this information. If you only want to see FBA only, or if you want to see the highest amount of products or the lowest amount of products. Obviously there's actually, well, it's not obvious, but there's actually quite a few in all of these lists that don't sell on Amazon anymore. So they have 0 products available, but their feedback does still exist. So this goes by their store rating. So, if they have 10,000 or 100,000 feedback, they're still going to be in this list, but there may be no products available at this time. So you can sort by the most amount of products. You can sort by any of these. And as you can see, the ratings isn't just a number. This is still showing the order, by most ratings. So even though this is 122, this is how it's been sorted. So if you want to subscribe, so if you want to get the Amazon Warehouse Deals email every day, you can just click the subscribe button. And you're going to get a message, I'm already subscribed, so it'll tell me I'm already subscribed, but if I wasn't subscribed, you would get the message saying that it's successfully subscribed. And then downloading is basically instant. It's that fast, and it's been downloaded now. So, there's other tools, obviously, out there that may take, minutes to an hour or more pulling the data from the pages, but since we're using an API, we can download that data virtually instantly, and at the most maybe a second to get it all. So once we download it, you're going to get a list of ASINs. up to 100,000, obviously, as we already mentioned. And then you can either split that up and upload it into a tool like Tactical Arbitrage or OAX Rate or any of those tools to, find the products you're interested in selling, and you'll be able to see what basically any storefront on Amazon has. If it's not in the top 100,000, you can also post it on the page that we showed you on one of our other videos. So you can just paste any store ID in there as well, and you can get their data.